Welcome back. In the last video, we covered what options are. Today, we are diving into two building blocks of options, calls and puts, the core of every option trade in India. By the end of the video, you will never confuse them again and you will know exactly how traders use them to make money. And remember, this is part 2 of my 40 video free course, and we are moving step by step from basics to advanced, and we'll cover topics like delta neutral strategies and even hedge fund level trading strategies in India. So if you want the full journey, make sure you subscribe because this is literally your free options MBA. So let's start simple. Call option gives you the right to buy a stock or an index at a fixed price, and a put option gives you right to sell a stock or index at a fixed price. I told you this in the last video as well. So think of it like this. Calls means you think the market will go up, and put means you think the market will go down. Simple, all right? And I even gave you example in the last video. So in today's video, we will expand into that. But today, the last video we talked about like option buyers only. In today, we will cover option sellers. So first of all, we will begin with a call seller, which is also called a call writer. Okay, so a call writer is the person who gains the premium if the price stays below the strike, and a put seller is who gains the premium if the price stays above the strike. So for example, this is the option chain, and if I go and sell this option, this 24,950 option, and if the market stays where it is right now, I will make the entire 94 rupees premium because this option will expire worthless. So calls are for bullish bets and puts are for bearish bet, but it reverses if you sell an option. So if you sell a put option, you are basically buying a call option, which is the most simple term I can think of right now. And if you sell a call option, you think the market will go down. Okay, and because if the market goes down, the put option prices increase and the call prices decrease. So if you have sold an call option, you make money. Okay, that's simple. I hope you understand that. And let's take a quick real world example again. Let's assume Reliance is at 2500 and you think it will go up. So you buy a call at 2520 and you pay a premium of 15 rupees. So if Reliance rises to 25 and 550, your call is now worth 30 rupees. You profit 15 rupees minus the fees. Now, if you were selling that call, you will keep that 15 rupees premium, and if the market is not crossed 2520, you make the money. But if it does, the risk is unlimited and the loss will skyrocket. That's how option selling looks easy, but it isn't, and we will cover that in the next video because option selling is like a really advanced topic, and I'm trying to avoid getting into that in like one video. I'm going like really slow because you might have already noticed in the last video we talked about option buyers, and in today we added on to that with option sellers, and in the next video we will go in depth about option selling. So to recap, call is bullish and a put is bearish, and but if you have sold a call, you are bearish on the market, and if you have sold a put, you are bullish on the market. Okay, simple. And buyers pay the premium and sellers collect it. Calls and puts are the foundation of all option strategies. Master this and you can read any option chain payoff diagram or strategic chart with ease. And in the next video, I'll explain why 90% of option buyers lose money and how you can avoid the common traps the retail traders fall into. And yeah, that's basically all. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.